Hello friends, I am HP Chaudhari, working as Assistant Professor in Instrumentation Engineering Department of All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Friends, in this video, we are going to learn on-off control mode or on-off control action. Now let us see what is this on-off control mode. This on-off control mode is also known as two-position control mode, or it is also known as bang-bang control mode. This control mode is the simplest and cheapest control mode. The general analytical equation of this control mode is P is equal to 0%. P means control output. So control output will be equal to 0% when your error is less than 0, and your control output will be 100% when your error is greater than 0. So likely this control mode exhibits only two positions, 0% or 100%, that is on and off. Now look into this diagram. This is your error profile diagram and this is your controller output. Now when your controller output is 0% or to the predetermined value, then error will be 0. But when your error will be greater than 0, then your controller output will be 100%. And when your control output becomes 100%, the error will start decreasing. As soon as your error decreases below 0%, then your control output will become 0%. Again, similarly, your error will start increasing, and as soon as it will crosses 0, then your control output will become 100%. So this is the response of the slow process. But when we talk about the fast process, then this switching of controller between 0% and 100% will be very fast. So such a process exhibits the cycling behavior. So to avoid such a cycling behavior, neutral zone or differential gap is provided in the two position control mode. Now what is this neutral zone? This is the diagram of your neutral zone. In neutral zone, the control output shall be either 100% or 0% depending on error being greater or less than neutral zone. Now see, here your error is 0. So your control output will not change the state immediately when your error is greater than 0. But the controller will not change the state until the error reaches to delta EP. So as soon as your error reaches to delta EP, your controller output will change the state from 0% to 100%. And controller output will remain 100% again till the error reaches to minus delta EP. As soon as the error reaches to minus delta EP, the controller output will change its state to 0%. And again here, the controller output will remain 0% unless the error reaches to positive delta EP. So because of this neutral zone, the switching time of controller increases, and therefore the range to delta EP is referred to as a neutral zone. Now this is delta EP and this is delta EP. The 2 delta EP is called as the neutral zone, or it is called as differential gap, and this is purposely provided in on-off control mode. So dear friends, this is about the on-off control mode. Thank you.